Today on ODOS, we're creating decadence in a dish. There are those rare times when all is right in the universe and harmony is achieved, and this is one of those times. With the perfect combination between ghetto and gourmet, this dish could very well be the solution to all the world's problems, and you don't want to miss it by clicking away. Today, we're in shrimp and grits country, so stick around. We're going to start by adding 2 cups chicken broth into a saucepan, 1 cup water, 1 cup heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And then slowly bring that to a boil, and then we'll add our grits. You can always use instant, but stone ground is where it's at. Be sure to stir the grits in thoroughly. This is very important. In a moment we're going to reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes, but we're still going to stir every couple of minutes to prevent clumping. Now we're going to brown our chopped bacon in a large skillet. The trick is to keep it moving so it browns evenly. And just a reminder to give those grits a stir from time to time. It might sound crazy, but whenever I'm cooking bacon, I start feeling patriotic. Maybe because there's nothing more American than a big old pan of frying bacon. When the bacon is finished browning, we're going to remove it and set it aside on a paper towel. And then drain all the fat from the pan, leaving about a tablespoon, because we are about to make magic happen. Remember what I said earlier about harmony in the universe? Well, cooking garlic in bacon grease might have something to do with it. And adding a little butter doesn't hurt either. We're going to let that garlic tan and become fragrant before adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and our spice mix, which you can find in the description with the full recipe. Talk about harmony? This mix of flavors is what I like to call the Goldilocks combo. Perfect in every way. Then it's time for the shrimp. I'm using raw, peeled, and deveined. I like big ones like these. Showers, not growers. Make sure the pan is nice and hot and keep them moving, so that the sauce sears onto them. This is a good time to show off the skills if anyone is watching. Oh yeah. And then hit them with some sliced scallions and give that a stir. Toss your bacon back in the pan. Mix all that together and that's it. Hit it and quit it. About now the grits should be done cooking. So it's time to add the cheese. I recommend white cheddar. That sharp tang is the final delicious key to striking the perfect balance of flavors. And it adds a creaminess and richness to the grits that will make your eyes roll back with each and every bite. I'm not just saying it. Since we started this channel, this is my single favorite of all the recipes. When the world tastes this dish, hate will cease to exist. There will no longer be us and them, right and wrong, only love. United by the most surprising of solutions, a perfect bowl of cheesy, tangy, garlicky home-style goodness. Ghetto meets gourmet. If you like this recipe, please make sure to like and subscribe and tell us in the comments what you think. And, as always, thanks for watching.